The call for an investigation into offshore assets of former and present government officials was made by opposition leader Bharrat Jagdeo on Monday at the party's weekly press conference. Jagdeo wants the president to solicit the services of an international company to do the job.
We'd also like to reiterate our call for the government to hire a company to investigate all the assets that former officials, former government officials, and current government officials have abroad. Some information coming our way is showing maybe the reason for this major reluctance on the part of the government to hire an international firm to track and trace assets that people hold abroad.
The opposition leader claims that the reluctance on the part of the government to pursue this particular part could be that some of the presumed guilty parties are in bed with the administration.
I had made this call particularly when the Panama Papers were released. And it seems as though that there may be some people who are very sympathetic to this government who can be captured by such an international inquiry or a search for assets abroad. Because I argue that it should be extended not just to the government, but also to people who manage public companies.
The Ministry of Citizenship was singled out by Jagdeo for wrongdoings, but as customary, the opposition leader failed to provide any hard evidence to support his conclusions. He is offering a reward for information in order to bring criminal charges.
The Ministry of Citizenship has been involved in issuing documents, and some may be to people who are not eligible. We are gathering some evidence, and I just want to say to members of the public that if they have any information about this, they can contact me directly. I'm going to give them the details, and there may be even a reward for this, for the information that they supply.
He expressed the hope that President Granger will accede to his request along with assistance from Britain.
I hope that the government does it, and I hope that the British advisor here would help us to prepare our case for private criminal charges against the government. We are against individuals in the government too, because we are working on those.
Mr. Jagdeo himself is under the watchful eye of the Special Organized Crime Unit for his role in the sale of government land at Sparendam in a plot known as Pradoville 2. For HGP Nightly News, Sean Embrack.